Hello students, today we will take numerical on uniformly accelerated motion. So its first part is equations of motion. So what are the equations of motion? First I will tell you there are four equations of motion. First is V is equal to U plus AT. Second, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And third is V square minus U square is equal to 2AS, and the fourth is distance covered in, and second, that is dn is equal to U plus A by 2n minus 1. So we will study numericals on these four equations. So problem 1 is a body starts from rest and acquires a velocity of 12 meter per second in 5 seconds. A body starts from rest. If the body starts from rest, its initial velocity is 0 and it acquires a velocity of 12 meter per second. This is the final velocity in time t is equal to 5 seconds. So we have to calculate the acceleration and distance moved by the body. So first, acceleration. How to calculate the acceleration? We will apply the formula V is equal to U plus AT. So here V is 12, U is 0, A we have to calculate, and T is 5. That is 5T is equal to 12, or T is equal to 12 upon 5, that is 2.4 meter. Sorry, it is time 2. There is right. I have done mistaken writing here. Time is given 5a. So what is 8? 2.4. Yes, meter per second square. Now next is we have to find the distance moved. So for this we can apply the formula V square minus U square equal to 2S, or S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So applying V square minus U square is equal to 2S. V square, so V is 12 square, U is 0 square, 2A. A we have calculated 2.4 into S. That is square of 12 is 144 is equal to 2.4 into 2, 4.8 S. S is equal to 144, डेसिमल हटा दो, 48 ऊपर आ जाएगा 10, 48 133 3 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, कितना आ जाएगा 30 मीटर. तो दिस इज द आंसर. नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम. A bus moving on a straight road with a speed of 126 km per hour is brought to rest after 200 meters. So here a bus moving on a straight road with a speed of 126 km per hour. What is this U? So be careful, its units are kilometer per hour, changing into SI units. 126 into 5 by 18. This is 35 meter per second. Is brought to rest. If it is brought to rest, V is 0 after covering a distance of 200 meters. S is 200. So we have to find acceleration of the bus. We have to find the acceleration. So U is known, V is known, S is known. So we have to find A. We use V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. V is 0 square, U 35 square is equal to 2. A we have to calculate, and S is given 200. That is minus 1225. 35 square is 1225 is equal to 400A. So what is A? 1225 upon 400. That is, it comes out minus 3.6 meter per second square. And then we have to calculate the time taken by the bus to come to rest. To calculate time taken, we apply V is equal to U plus AT. What is V? V is 0. What is U? U is 35. A is minus 3.06 into T. That is 3.06 T is equal to 35. T is equal to 35 upon 3.06. On dividing, it comes out 11.4 seconds. Then this problem number 3, 4 and 5 you have to attempt. Now problem 6. A body travels 2 meters in 2 seconds and 2.2 meters in the next 4 seconds of its uniformly accelerated motion. What will be the velocity of the body at the end of 7th second from the start? A body covers 2 meters in the first 2 seconds and 2.2 meters in the next 4 seconds. So what is the velocity of the body at the end of 7th second from here? So here we have to calculate. Let us suppose U is the initial velocity and A is the uniform acceleration of the body. U इसकी initial velocity है और A इसकी uniform acceleration है body. Case 1. Case 1 is S is equal to 2 meters and time T is equal to 2 seconds. Considering this motion, first 2 seconds. Formula S is equal to UT plus half it square. That is, put value of S. 2 is equal to U, T is 2, 1 by 2 A, T square, 2 square. This gives 2 is equal to 2U, this 4 upon 2, 2A. इसको 2 से डिवाइड कर दो. डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से आ जाएगा U plus A is equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Then case 2, considering whole motion from here to here, because here velocity is U and acceleration is A total. So what is S? 2 plus 2.2, that is 4.2 meters. And what is the total time? 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 seconds for the whole motion. Again applying the formula, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. What is S? 4.2 U, T 6, 1 by 2A into 6 square. This comes out 4.2 is equal to 6U plus 18A. So this is equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2. 1 and 2 को आपस में सॉल्व करो. ठीक है, तो इसको फर्स्ट को मल्टीप्लाई करो. मल्टीप्लाइंग फर्स्ट बाय 6U प्लस 6A is equal to 6. 6U plus 6A is equal to 6. Multiplying by 6. Now subtracting second. सेकेंड को इसमें से क्या कर दो? माइनस. सेकेंड इज 6U plus 18A is equal to 4.2. Subtract it. This cancels. This is minus 12A is equal to 1.8. तो what is a 1.8 upon minus 12, that is minus 180, sorry, minus 18 upon 120. This comes out minus 0.15 meter per second square. Now A की वैल्यू आ गई, we are put in first. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में पुट कर दो. What is u? 1 minus a, that is 1 minus 0.15, that is 1.15 meter per second. Now we have to find the velocity after 7 seconds. So we will apply the formula v is equal to u plus at. Here u is 1.15, a is minus 0.15, and time is given 7 seconds. 7. So this is 1.15 minus 1.05 is equal to 0.10 meter per second. This is the answer. Then is motion of freely falling body, that is motion under gravity. A ball is thrown vertically upwards. एक बॉल को वर्टिकली अपवर्ड थ्रो किया गया ऐसे with a speed of 19.6 meters per second from the top of a tower, returns to the earth in 6 seconds. A ball is thrown vertically upward with a speed of 19.6 meters per second. From the top of a tower. तो एक टावर के टॉप से इसको ऐसे वर्टिकली अपवर्ड थ्रो किया गया. तो बड़ी दिस इज द ओरिजिन, और जो ये अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन है ये क्या होगी? पॉजिटिव. रिटर्न्स टू द अर्थ इन 6 seconds. दिस बॉल रिटर्न्स टू द अर्थ इन 6 seconds. तो दिस इज ओरिजिन. सपोज h इज द हाइट ऑफ द टावर, दिस इज h. ठीक है. तो बट इज इन दिस क्वेश्चन what is u? u is 19.6 meters per second. what is a? इसमें a क्या होगा? माइनस g, बिकॉज upward direction is positive and downward direction is negative. तो g is always in the downward direction. g is always downward. तो इसमें g a क्या होगा? माइनस g. तो that is 9.8 meters per second. It reaches the earth in 6 seconds. T is equal to 6 seconds. In this, what is S? S is minus H. Why minus? Because ये ओरिजिन है. ओरिजिन से अपर डायरेक्शन अपर डिस्टेंस पॉजिटिव है. बॉल की फाइनल डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या है? हाइट. दिस इज द फाइनल डिस्प्लेसमेंट. इट हैज फॉलन थ्रू ए हाइट h फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. माइनस h. तो यूज फार्मूला S इज इक्वल टू ut plus half at square. What is S? H is equal to u 19.6 into t 6 minus 1 by 2 a 9.8 into t square, that is 6 square. This is equal to this comes out 4.9 into 36. This comes out 176 58.4. This is equal to minus h is equal to minus 58.8. H is equal to 58.8 meters. Once again, a ball thrown vertically upwards with a speed of 19.6 meters per second from the top of a tower. एक टावर की टॉप से बॉल को अपवर्ड थ्रो किया गया है और उसकी वेलोसिटी दी हुई है 19.6 मीटर्स पर सेकंड. ठीक है, तो थ्योरी में बताया था जिस सेक्शन में जहां से हमने थ्रो किया उसका ओरिजिन ले लो और जिस सेक्शन में थ्रो किया वो डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव, तो यू इसमें पॉजिटिव होगी और एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू ग्रेविटी इज डाउनवर्ड. तो अगर अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव है तो जी इज नेगेटिव. एंड देन टाइम दिया हुआ है और एस क्या होगा, फाइनल डिस्प्लेसमेंट इट इज फ्रॉम ईयर टू ईयर. तो ए ओरिजिन है, इस तो ऊपर ले डिस्टेंस इज पॉजिटिव है, नीचे वाले नेगेटिव, तो बॉल नीचे आई है माइनस एच. इसको एस सी जी को टू यूटी प्लस हाफ एटी स्क्वायर में पुट कर दो. पुट करके एच की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. Next is prove that distances traversed during equal intervals of time by a falling body from rest stands to one another in the ratio as the odd numbers beginning with unity. Prove that distances traversed during equal intervals of time. ठीक है, this means what is dn? u plus a by 2 2n minus 1. Now for a body falling from rest, u is equal to 0, a is equal to g. So put it in dn. (2n minus 1). It is proof that distances traversed during equal intervals of time. ठीक है, तो what is the distance covered in first second? g by 2 2n minus 1 is equal to g by 2 into what is distance covered in first t seconds?